What's up guys, Saf Ashraf here. Today we're gonna...
Saf.
Oh, hi Saf.
Yeah, hi. Just wanted to say your lights is terrible. Your viewers want you to get a new light.
I mean, what am I supposed to do? I have no light and I guess we're doing this then. What's up guys, Saf Ashraf here. Today we're going to be reviewing the Aputure HR672W LED light. I got this from Aputure as part of a giveaway, so I entered and thankfully I won. So yeah, I'm very hyped for that. Thank you Aputure for sending over this light. Today we're going to be reviewing it, going over a few key features, and yeah, let's get straight into the review. Basically what comes in the box is the light inside this very nice carrying case, which I actually love. We get two NPF batteries to power the light. We have the power adapter, which is not the biggest I've seen, but it is still there. And of course the remote. And also in the box we get stickers, Aputure stickers. To all companies that send me products, if you involve stickers, I will give you plus points for that. I love stickers. Alright, so let's get started. The overall light is made out of plastic, which is not the most premium material you can use to make products, but it's fine because it's not one of those cheap plastics you find in cheap products. It's not that heavy, it's not a very heavy light. When you do hold it, you do feel that it is durable and will take a hitting if it needs to. However, do take care of the light because the little LEDs, if they do move around a lot or if they do get bashed or something, as it is not covered by anything except for the plates given, then they will get broken. There are like 2-3 LEDs that are spare inside the packaging when you get it too. At the back of the light we've got a knob of how much you can control how bright the light is, or you've got this remote which is actually extremely useful. You can turn the light off with the remote, you can turn it on, you can do everything. It's really useful. Just a quick example here, as you can see, I can press the button, it turns off, my lighting goes terrible, I can turn it on, and everything's back to normal. You can also group a lot of these lights into channels, and you can control them all at once, and as you can see, as I'm showing you now, the remote feels quite good in the hand, it's quite light as well, and it does have a nice range of buttons. It's just something to get used to be honest. We also have an indicator of how much battery you are using at the back, and also a number of how strong the light basically is. A quick fun feature I want to tell you guys is that when the batteries are plugged into the light and the overall light is plugged into the socket, the light will turn on and at the same time the batteries will charge, which is an amazing feature to have. Let's talk about the actual light. Now the light is very bright. This light doesn't change color, so you are stuck with the overall color that it comes out. It's not too warm, it's not too cold, it's just right in the middle. This is how much K it is, or whatever it's called. I'm not really into lighting like that, but that's how much it is. And overall it looks really nice. With nearly every way you are going to be using this light, for example an interview, YouTube video is how I'm using it, or mainly to light up a set or a product, the overall light color will not disappoint you, as you can probably see as it's shining on my face. Something I have noted is that the Aputure light does not flicker at all. Somehow Aputure have engineered this so when it is on the camera at any frame rate, this doesn't flicker. It's amazing and I'm glad it's there. It's my first professional light, so if the lighting is not perfect, give me time. I'll try and perfect it over time. So yeah, that was Saf Ashraf. Yes, there was a 2-week break. My actual other light broke and the lighting was terrible, as you can see like this. It was terrible. So yeah, thank you guys for all the support, and make sure to like and subscribe if you did enjoy this video. Thank you guys for watching. Saf Ashraf. Peace.